IEEE 802.11 is a part of IEEE 802 set of local area network technical standards and specifies the set of media access, cross, and physical layer protocol for implementing wireless local area network computer communication. IEEE 802.11b is an amendment to the 802.11 wireless network specification that extends throughput up to 11 megabits using the same 2.4 GHz band. 802.11g is an amendment to 802.11 application that operates in the 2.4 GHz microwave band. The standard was extended throughput to up to 54 megabits using the same 20 megabits bandwidth as 802.11b uses to achieve 11 megabits. 802.11n is a wireless networking standard that uses multiple antennas to increase data rates. The Wi-Fi Alliance has also retroactively labeled the technology for the standard as Wi-Fi 4. IEEE 802.11ac is a wireless networking standard in IEEE 802.11 set of protocols, which is part of the Wi-Fi networking family, providing high throughput wireless local area network WLANs on the 5 GHz band. Frequency bands are frequency range within the wireless spectrum that are designed to carry Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. 5 GHz is a frequency that is used by some Wi-Fi systems, and 5G simply means fifth generation. It's even more confusing when many routers display their 5 GHz Wi-Fi as 5G. This might be on the SSID broadcast or on a LED light on the router itself. Channels or Wi-Fi channels are the medium through which your wireless internet network sends and receives data. Having more channels can help speed up your internet connection. Depending on what kind of router that you have will determine the number of Wi-Fi channels that you have and are able to use. Channels like 1.6 and 11 are the sequences of channels that best allow taking advantage of the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi spectrum, since they allow the coexistence of three networks in the spectrum without overlapping, as long as there is no overlapping with other existing networks or other interfaces. Bluetooth is a short-range wireless technology standard that is used for exchanging data between fixed and mobile devices over short distance using UHF radio waves in the ISM bands from 2.42 GHz to 2.48 GHz and building personal area networks. Near Field Communication, also known as NFC, is a set of communication protocols that enables communication between electronic devices over a distance of 4 cm or less. NFC offers a low-speed connection through a simple setup that can be used to bootstrap more capable wireless connections. Radio frequency identification, also known as RFID, technologies uses radio waves to identify people or objects. There is a device that reads information contained in a wireless device or tag from a distance without making any physical contact or requiring a line of sight. Zigbee is an IEEE 802.15.4 based specification for a suite of high-level communication protocols used to create personal area networks with small, low-power digital radios, such as from automation. Z-Wave is a wireless communication protocol used primarily in smart home networks, allowing smart devices to connect and exchange control commands and data with each other. 3G is the third generation of wireless mobile telecommunication technology. It is the upgrade over 2G, 2.4G, GPRS, and 2.75G EDGE networks, offering faster data transfer and better voice quality. 4G is the fourth generation of broadband cellular network technology, succeeding 3G and preceding 5G. A 4G system must provide capabilities defined by ITU and IMT Advanced. In telecommunications, 5G is the fifth generation technology standard for broadband cellular networks, which cellular phone companies began deploying worldwide in 2019 and is the planned successor to the 4G networks, which provide connectivity to most current cell phones. In telecommunications, long-term evolution, also known as LTE, is a standard for wireless broadband communication for mobile devices and data terminals. Based on GSM, EDGE, and UMTS HSPA standards, it improves those standards, capacities, and speed by using in different radio interface and core network improvement.